Hi, everyone. I'm Ty Collins. I am the Assistant Director at the Lawrence University Career Center. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to look for and apply for on-campus employment here at Lawrence using Handshake, which is our platform that students use for finding and applying for on-campus and off-campus employment, as well as for meeting with Career Center staff and attending Career Center events. To find Handshake, we can start right from the main Lawrence webpage. And from there, we can click in the search box in the upper right-hand corner and type in the words Career Center, which is the name of our office. You can click the top search result there. And then once you're on the Career Center page, go ahead and bookmark it, as it will be a site you'll refer to often during your time at Lawrence. Over on the right, then click on Jobs and Internships. And then a bit down the page, you can scroll and find the link for a Handshake. Click that, and then click the dark blue box that says Log into Handshake. This will take you to the actual Handshake login page. Go ahead and bookmark this as well, as you'll be using Handshake a lot during your time at Lawrence. Then click the Find Jobs Login button. This will take you to a screen you're probably very familiar with. This is the same screen that you get when you go to log into Voyager. So enter your Lawrence network username and password, the same intro you use to log into Voyager. Click Login. And here's your Handshake homepage. There's a lot you can do here. Today we're focused just on finding on-campus employment. So you're going to click on Jobs over on the left-hand side. And then to look for on-campus employment, go all the way over to the right, click on All Filters, and it gives you an option to search for job types. We're going to choose on-campus. So click on that. Takes a moment to filter, and then click Show Results. And you can see there are 26 jobs posted at the recording of this video on campus right now at Lawrence. On the left-hand side, you can scroll and see what those jobs are. And then over on the right are descriptions of those positions. So the top one here is a computer technician assistant. You can see the title on the top, followed by this part here, 23-24 academic year. That's just the duration of the job. It tells you how long the job will last. In almost every case, the job will last the entire school year. On occasion, there might be one that lasts just for a single term or for 2 terms, and that'll indicate that if that's the case. But most jobs are for the entire year. Important to note when the application deadline is. Most jobs that are open get posted at the beginning of the school year, and those usually have deadlines in the middle to late part of September. So most open jobs post and get filled by the end of September. So it's important to look for jobs and apply early in the school year. If you scroll down a little bit, there'll be a description of the job. That could include what you'd be doing, potentially qualifications, the number of hours per week you would work, and then there'd be a button that'll say apply. You can click on that and it'll say what you have to do to apply. In this case, it just requires a resume. So you would take whatever resume that you have, upload it to Handshake, attach it to this application, click submit, and you're done. Now, in the case of this particular position, there is a pretty short description. It's just a single resume, a very easy one to apply for. Some positions do have a bit more to it. For example, there is a job in the Career Center called a marketing and media assistant. Just to give you an example of how a different job might look, we can click on that one. Again, the entire school year. This one has a deadline of the 17th. This one has a bit more of a description to it, including kind of a overall summary of the job, the actual duties, the hours per week, what the qualifications for the job are, what kind of skills you'll gain by completing this job, and then the actual application directions. And then if you click the apply button, you can see there's more to it. This job wants a resume and a cover letter, as well as 2 references and when you're available to work in the fall term. So a bit more to applying for this particular job. Not that it's more difficult, it's just more to it. So every job is going to be a little bit more different in terms of how thoroughly the job description is written and the application requirements for the position. So just be sure that you do read those things closely. If you do have questions applying for a job or need some assistance, or if they do want a resume and you don't have one, you need help writing one, you can come over to the Career Center and we will be happy to help you go through that process. So that's it. That's how you apply for jobs on Handshake. Thanks for watching and have a good day.